You mess up the game when you do that.
It's okay. I got another one.
Okay.
I was trying to bandit slam it. That's all. Bandit slam it. Hey! 3.
Jade. Jade almost lost it.
Let's play.
Oh. Jade. Watch out, Jade.
Quick, Slee. Into the playhouse. Quick. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Jade. I don't know.
You're gonna be like, dang.
Probably not, because I was kind of panning over. But then again, I don't know what the camera saw that I did.